Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Oh my gosh, it's been way too long, you guys, way too long. I think my last video was uploaded like 10 days ago, a week ago, I don't even know. But welcome back. So today I want to share with you what I got in my summer Erin Condren surprise box. I sent a text to my cousin showing her that I think it was, who was it? I'm not sure exactly who posted the video, and I was like, I don't know if I should watch it or not. So I ended up not watching it because I wanted to be surprised. So let's check it out. Let's see what's inside here. And we all know these boxes are reversible, but I don't use them. I usually throw them away. And because I don't want to see what's inside, I'm just gonna grab everything. And usually you have the contents of the box in that, so we're not gonna look at that. Okay, I'm trying to put everything under the paper so we don't see what it is. All right, so the first item here, you guys, is okay. It's this pencil pouch that it's, look it, the paint is, there's always like a little something wrong with the products, you know? Look it, like the paint got smeared here and here. So this is a silicone pencil pouch, right? Let me see. Oh, it's a tray pencil case. Okay, so let's see. So this feels nice. I like the feel of this. This is fine. And because it's summer, you know, if it gets wet, I don't think it's waterproof. Yeah, I wouldn't think so because the zipper wouldn't be waterproof. But at least it wouldn't get wet, you know, because it's not fabric. So, if you guys, this is just like, if you're a makeup lover, there are cases for your brushes, for your makeup brushes that are kind of like this design right here, that they open, like they stand and they open like this. Oh, see, there's more paint or something. Oh no, it's the zipper. So yeah, I'm okay with this. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but it's nice. I like this. You can fit a lot of things here, you guys. Your punch, let's see. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room to bring everything you need here. Smells like plastic, obviously, but it's not bad. It's not that bad. So this is nice. I like the colors. I like the design, but mine, as you can tell, it has the paint there and smudge here, and I don't think this is gonna come off. No, it's like already dry in the silicone. Yeah, so that is that. I'm okay with this. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. All right, so that's the first product. Let's see the next one. Oh, another notepad. Okay, good, because I only have one that goes into my A5. So, all right. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so this week's focus, actions, or to-do, notes, and tracking. Oh, this is nice. It's the same nice paper that we all love. Oh my gosh, look at, I have like chips on my agenda. This weekend was super hectic for us. So this is the only other notepad that I have, and this is the new one here in the summer box. So let's make sure it fits. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I love this color, you guys. It's like gray, white, pink, and black, or maybe like a dark gray here. This looks even better. Okay, so that is pretty. Oh, you know what? Let me take it out. Let's see what we got. Ooh, a cover. Yes. I love covers, you guys. I love to change. Like, actually, I should be posting my Franken planner for June. I don't know if I'm gonna post it after this video or before this video, but it's coming up. Oh, that's so nice. Nice. So this planner right here is my family budget planner. And let's see how this looks. There you go. Oh, it's a little shorter. Let me see. Oh no, that's how they are. Okay. Look at that. That is so pretty. So this is like the sand and the ocean. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, and the inside has the design as well. Nice. All right, so let me add the back. Okay, you guys, so let me show you the back. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. So summery. That's nice. Okay. So we got a cover. I like. Okay, let me get this big thing over here. No, I can't without pulling everything out. Oh, you know what? I wish I was supposed to get this box like 2 days ago, and I just got it a couple of hours ago. Today's Sunday, but oh, I wish I would have got this earlier and give this to my granddaughter. Oh, she would enjoy this on the way back home. All right, so this is a little notebook, pocket notebook with lined pages, and you have a ribbon as page marker. Okay, yeah, this is very simple. It's nice. It's a good size. It feels like almost like silicone-y, like this. It's nice. It's nice. It's a nice size. Kind of bright for me. I'd rather have pink than yellow, but it's summer, you know. So yeah, this is okay. It's just a notebook. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, okay. I did see this on the Erin Condren Instagram. So, okay, now let me take a look at this because I thought it looked kind of weird with the clear tip right here. So let's see. All right, so we knew about this. All right, so it's one of those, you know, like 80s or 90s pen that you just click and it changes the color. And if you wanna like brand it up, you just go a little bit and it pops up. Okay, so that is fine. It's nice. It's a fine point. I wonder how big this is. Oh, is it 0.7? Oh, it looks like it has a 7 here. Where's the paper? Okay, it doesn't say anything here on the packaging, but it looks like it has a 7. Oh, maybe not. I'm seeing things, you guys. Maybe not. I don't know what point this is, but what size. This is nice. It's okay. I don't care for the tip to be clear like this. I wish it would have been all one color, one solid color. Kind of looks cheapy. Kind of looks cheap, like, I don't know, like a $1 pen. I wish it was all the same. I think it would have looked better. All right. All right, so now next is this item right here, and this is a packaging cube. All right, so what is this for, you guys? Is this for, I'm guessing for traveling, right? For clothing or for your planner supplies? Let me see. This is nice. Okay, So I'm thinking if it's for clothing, yeah, you can put probably one outfit here. Or for your kids, you can probably put a couple. It's a good size. Actually, for me, I feel like I would have liked this better if it was all solid material instead of the mesh. And then I could use this for my planner supplies. Because we don't travel that much. And when we do, we all carry our own suitcase. And we don't do this. I don't individually pack my stuff. So, but look at, if it was a solid fabric, if it was like this, I could use it for this storing. It's good. We'll use it. I'll definitely use it. Oh, and it has a handle. Okay, this is nice. Yeah. Look at this label, you guys. This is nice. This is like a silicone race label. All right. So, not that I'm gonna travel that much, but that's nice. Okay, I feel something. Oh, this looks like a charm. Let me see. Is this for the planner? Okay, maybe it's a bookmark. But you know what? This is gonna be good for a charm. Oh, put it the wrong way. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. That is cute. I like that. Oh yeah, definitely. Okay, so we have some postcards, 3x4. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna use this. How many do we have here? We have 3. Oh, look at that. So cute. Oh, this is pretty. I like that. And then you have a yellow, bright yellow, and a blue. Yeah, okay. I don't know about that. I might use them. And I think, oh, there's 2 things. Oh, 3 stickers. Okay, is that it? Yeah. Okay, you guys, so the last item I have here is a set of 3 sticker sheets here. They're all summer related. So we have some quotes here. We have some flags and washi. Oh, look at that washi, so pretty. It's the same design as the, oh, and the stickers. The stickers that match the cover. Artist paper. Oh, that's cute. That's nice. They're pretty small, but you know what? This size right here, all of the stickers here, they're small to fit into the A5 agenda. And yeah, I like that. This is tiny. Okay, perfect. So I'll be using this. I like this. I don't mind this summer design that they created here. It's nice. I like it. So I like that. Postcards, kind of iffy about that. I'll use the little charm. The bag, I think I'm gonna use it for storing things here in my closet. I think that would be good. So that's nice. We have that pen. Yeah, I was telling you, it's nice. I just wish it was one color. I feel like this makes it look kind of cheaply made. You know, it's kind of, yeah. Oh, and you can probably change the, okay, I'm not gonna touch it because I'm probably gonna break it. Okay, so yeah, I'll use the pen. Have this little notebook if my daughter wants it. Good. If not, we'll save it or send it to my grandbaby because I think she, this is a good size for her, my granddaughter. And the notepad, so I'll use that. This is good. This one, yeah, you can see it's damaged here. And you can see how the finish here and the thread is like coming off too. And there's more stain here too. on the plastic. So that's kind of okay. And the cover. So this cover is so fun. I like it. You can never go wrong with the covers, you know. They're real nice. Oh, let me take it off so I can take a picture. All right, so that is it, you guys. That was it's okay. I don't care for this. Well, this is fine, except that it's, like I said, it's kind of damaged there. There's I don't care about that, but the rest I think it's good. Do I think it's $40 worth? For me, no, I don't think so. Nothing here is like my favorite, you know. The cover is the best thing. I think is the best value of the cover and the notepad. But I do like the fact that they put everything, they built the collection, you know, like for everything to like color match and have the same theme. Even the stickers, usually the stickers don't match like the box, you know. At least in my last couple of boxes, I was like, oh my gosh, the stickers are not it. But these ones are nice, actually. Yeah, and they match with everything else. So I think that the whole concept is good. I don't find one single item to be like, oh my gosh, this is so nice, or to be my favorite. But I think out of everything, the cover would be my favorite. It's kind of like meh. It's all right. You know, I keep expecting the wow factor from the winter box, the winter 2020 box. But so far the spring box and now the summer box, they're not wowing me. So yeah, that is my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.